Welcome to the My Country mobile tutorial, where you'll learn to configure SIP trunks on a Cisco 2811 router. As we introduce SIP trunking, we'll highlight its role in revolutionizing voice communications. Grasp how it elevates My Country Mobile's network prowess, equipping you to confidently operate in the realm of VoIP. The fundamental concepts of SIP trunking will be crystallized. Let's gear up for configuring your Cisco 2811 router by ensuring necessary equipment and software readiness. Your toolkit should include the router, a compatible computer, and the latest software version for optimal security. And prepare for the transformative impact your configurations will have in orchestrating flawless voice communications. Delve into the core configuration of the SIP trunk. Finalize with advanced voice settings, ensuring optimal flow of voice data via voice service VoIP commands.
My Country Mobile, your communication and technology partner.